What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the do not disturb keeps turning on issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. Now in sound and vibration, scroll down and tap on do not disturb, and then tap on schedule turn on time option. Now if you have set a schedule for do not disturb to turn on automatically, then turn it back off, and after turning off this button the do not disturb will not turn on the set time, and after that your issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then try updating the phone's software. So for that, open settings, tap on about phone, and then tap on software version. Now from here it will automatically check for available updates. So if you have any update available, then update your phone to the latest version, and after updating the phone's software to the latest version, the do not disturb keeps turning on issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the do not disturb keeps turning on issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.